So I painted the gauntlet. You want to see how? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Liam, and I painted the gauntlet, and I think it looks pretty cool. And I actually got a ton of footage of me actually painting the gauntlet. So some nice time lapses, and I put it together with some nice music for you to enjoy. So sit back, relax, enjoy the time lapses, and I'll meet you back right here. So go enjoy the time lapses. Okay, so we're masking, and I really like masking, but all you need is an X-Acto knife, some masking tape, and just be careful with the X-Acto knife because it is sharp and you can hurt yourself. I will have a video coming out about how to mask off your parts, but hopefully I can get a good time lapse of me masking this off, so let's go do that. So now we're done masking, and not that much waste came out of it. And the lines didn't come out perfect, but it'll work. I really enjoy masking, like I said, so it's very easy, I think, and fun and kind of therapeutic. So just take your time doing it, and now we can go and paint the white. Okay, now it's time for the most satisfying part. Taking off the masking tape. It's gonna look so cool. This is my favorite part. Here's all the parts painted. I went and added some black lines with a Sharpie, and I think it makes it look pretty cool. But next thing you'll see of me will be teleporting into the house because I'm going to go and clear coat them, but I don't think it's going to be very entertaining to watch that because not much happens. So, teleport to inside. Whoa! I teleported back to inside. Well, do you want to see how I assembled it? Here's a quick little breakdown of how I put everything together. Okay, so here it is all laid out. I attached this little back thing with just some elastic so it can stretch and move a little bit. I need to put my hand in it now. But for the most part, it just stays like that. And then for the actual forearm, I just used some double-sided tape to attach this and that detail piece. And the black lines are actually Sharpie. I went and added some lines and then cut out a triangle with the Cricut and put it on there, and I think it turned out pretty nice. So yeah, that's literally just hot glued elastic into there, and it stretches and moves just a little bit, so I could put my hand in and out. But yeah. Okay, and you're back, and I do need to add some foam into the gauntlet. That will be in the next video, along with adding some electronics for the repulsor. But as for paints, in case you didn't catch them in the time lapses, I'm going to show you what I used, and I'll try to link everything in the description for you to go and use the same paints if you would like, for a helmet, a suit, whatever. I used this Rust-Oleum white that I had sitting around on the hand. It is not pure white, it is a yellowish white, so I ended up using it on the actual gauntlet. But if you're going to make a gauntlet, I would recommend using this gloss white that's like actually pure white, which is actually what I used on the helmet that's sitting over there, if you can see it. But then I used this Krylon metallic oil rub bronze for the hexagons on the gauntlet. And then I used this Duplicolor 1K clear extremely high gloss finish on it, and it gave it a little extra shine and made it just a lot more shiny. I didn't use that on the actual glove because I didn't have it. I used a different clear coat, but everything else is very shiny. So yeah, that's it. That's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see part, what is this, 3? If you want to see part 4 of the gauntlet build, or you just want to see some more build videos, or learn how to use 3D printers and stuff like that, then please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave a comment down below. If you have any comments on what you think I could have done better with the gauntlet, let me know. You know, no harm, no foul. And if you're working on a gauntlet, tell me how far you are. Or if you're working on a helmet, tell me how far you are. Okay? So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you stay up to date on all the crazy stuff I make. And yeah, peace out.